Hello, viewers. We have a question here. Let's see how we can go about it. Fred sold an article for $56, which cost him X dollars. He finds that he has gained X percent on his outlay. Find the value of what? The X. Looking at this, we can do it severally, but let's see if I can just pick one of the formulas we discussed under profit and loss, which says that if I'm asked to find, let's say we have record, I'm asked to find the selling price is equivalent to the increase in percentage. So it's 100 plus profit percent divided by 100 times what? The cost price. If we can do a record of that. Remember, we have been given the cost price as the X percent sold. We have been given selling price also. Gain the profit of this we have been given. So we can do direct substitution. So we can say that where our cost price is in terms of dollar is X, selling price is in terms of dollar 56, and our profit percent is what? X percent. So now, as you have 56 equals to 100 plus X percent, which is the profit percent, divided by 100 times what? X by substitution, right? We know this X will always multiply the top, and this will multiply this. So 6 times 100 will be 5,600. This X is multiplying 100 plus what? X. So 5,600 equals to, as we open the bracket, X times 100 will give us 100X. X times X will give you X squared. So now let's transpose this to the other side. That make it X squared 100X equals what? 0. So here we are looking out for factors of 5,600. When added, we get what? 100. It will be difficult to find. We can easily list them and find, but in order to avoid wasting the time, let's use the completing the square approach, which is going to be X squared plus 100X equals to 5,600. When we transpose that, then we need half of the middle, half the square of the middle term here, meaning X squared plus 100X plus 100 over 2 all square 5,600 100 over 2 all square. We add that. That gives you X squared. This is going to be 50 all square 5,600 plus 50 all square, right? All right. This right here is a perfect trinomial. So we pick the X, we pick the last term 50, then we find the square of that. This is going to be 5,600. This is going to be 25 and 2 zeros. Let's maintain this. Let's add 5,600, 2500, 00. This is going to be 1, right? Plus this 6, 8. So if this is 8, I think that will be 90 times 90, right? This will be 00. Yeah, so that will be 90 if we find that. So we can easily get our perfect square. So we have 8100. Now we find the square root of both sides, right? To clear this square, making our X plus 50 equals to plus or minus the root of 8100. So X plus 50 will be equals to plus or minus 90. So since it's plus and minus, we can have our x plus 50 equal, okay, let's just, because of space, x will be equals to, let's pick positive 90 and transpose this to become minus what? 50. That will be giving you x equals to 40. So we take our x, we are picking the negative 90, then we transpose the 50 still minus 50. That makes x equals to negative 140. What does the x stand for? The x is standing in for cost price and profit percent. So that cannot be negative. So therefore, we ignore this. So the value of x is going to be 40. In other sense, it is $40 that he bought the article before selling it at this and make 40% profit on it. Now you can also take it as a normal word problem, pick it one by one. If there is an increment, you can also apply the same concept and come back to where we landed at 40. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.